How you doing, everybody, and welcome to NinjaToons, where the martial arts meets the creative arts. I'm Michael Voog, the Art Ninja, coming to you from my studio here in the Simi Valley Town Center, and today is Tuesday's 2-minute tip, how to draw shapes, volume, and contour. In previous videos, we've talked about the 3 lines you can use to draw anything. You have your straight line, your C curve, and your S curve. The next thing we have are shapes. Now, they're your basic shapes to create characters. So we have our circle, our square, our triangle, and our rectangle. Now, we use these 4 basic shapes really to make up the design of the characters that we're creating. So as you saw me drawing this, I'm sliding my hand across the canvas to sketch in these shapes. Now, when you use these shapes to create your character, it can leave the character feeling very two-dimensional. Right? Now, in animation, we want to make sure, or even like in comic books or comic strips, you want the character to feel three-dimensional, even though it's on a two-dimensional surface. So in order to make these look more three-dimensional, we have to change a shape to a volume, or make it look more three-dimensional. So how we do that is by converting a circle. We're going to draw contour lines on the shape itself. So most of you have seen this. You have your longitude and latitude lines on your sphere. So a circle becomes a sphere. Then you have your square. So to make your square a cube, simply draw a dot in the center of your square, draw another square off to the side, and then you're going to connect your corners. So we have your cube. For a triangle, take a C curve from one side to the other, and then again draw a C curve on the back side of your triangle, and that leaves you with the cone. Your rectangle, draw a C curve from one corner to the other. Do that on both sides, sliding your hand across your paper. But to give the illusion that it's a cylinder, one side is going to have a solid C curve going into the rectangle, and the other side is going to have a dashed C curve. Now this could be something where it's hollow, or it's the bottom of a block or something, and this cylinder has a flat bottom, or if you darken in the line, it could appear to be hollow. Now the other thing with contour lines is that even on things like a cone or a cylinder or even a cube, these contour lines help define the edges of your shape, just like they did with our sphere. So by putting these shapes together and then adding volume to them, that's how we get our three-dimensional characters. And that's today's 2-minute tip, how to draw shapes, form, and contour. Remember, if you're not a subscriber, make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and then leave a comment in the section below. Let us know what you thought of this video. We appreciate your feedback. In the meantime, have a great week, and we'll see you in the next video. This. Ooh. How to draw shapes.